for checking in with us here at Orlando Experience as we take a look at all the construction that's going on at the Magic Kingdom in preparation for Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary in 2021. In today's video, we'll take a look at the Tron coaster construction, as well as all the changes that are taking place in Tomorrowland. We will also take a look at the Casey Jr. Splash and Soak play area that is undergoing renovation, as well as the changes to the Walt Disney World Railroad. So headlighting the preparations for Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary for the Magic Kingdom is the Tron Light Cycle Coaster. On this new coaster, riders will ride on Tron light cycles as they are launched through the thrilling digital world of Tron. As we can see from this released concept art from Walt Disney, the new Tron Light Cycle Coaster will be located next to Space Mountain, will straddle over the Walt Disney World Railroad, and will require some reconfiguration of the Tomorrowland Speedway. So construction is well underway on this new attraction, as foundations are being poured, train tracks have been removed from the Tomorrowland area, and construction cranes have arrived on site. Along with the construction of the Tron coaster, several other changes and modifications are being made to Tomorrowland in preparation for the 50th anniversary of Walt Disney World. Some of these changes include new paint on the rocks at the entry point to Tomorrowland, as well as a new exit for Space Mountain. Another change that is already visible in Tomorrowland is new signage for Monster Inc. Laugh Floor, as well as the Carousel of Progress. Finally, rumors continue to surface that Stitch's Great Escape, which is now closed, will be replaced with a new attraction for the 50th anniversary. Other additions continue to take place throughout the Magic Kingdom, including a maintenance and update to Casey Jr.'s Splash and Soak in Fantasyland. While the Walt Disney World Railroad is currently closed due to the construction of Tron as well as replacing of track, guests have an opportunity to visit the Main Street station and get an up-and-close personal visit with the train. So thanks for watching this update of Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom, as well as the Tron coaster. Please consider subscribing to Orlando Experience, and have a great day.